when you look through the court system, particularly, let me show you my process a little bit. I go to pacer.gov. It's this federal government court website, and I basically put the names of the wardens of these 2 Georgia facilities in my search bar. And there's just tons upon tons of these writs of habeas corpus. But when you click on the actual filing, you can't have access to it. How many names do we have right now from Operation Charlotte's Web? How many names has the government given us? Not many. So there are hundreds of others out there. By the way, these people were not on the worst of the worst list, that we don't know where their situation stands. The man at the center of our story that we told you about, Dennis, a few minutes ago, whose wife we talked to, fairly newlywed, he is now trying to get bond through a different process. Now that there is this kind of standing order to some degree that these people being detained, particularly the nonviolent ones, do deserve a chance at a bond hearing, they're trying to go through the process with ICE of just saying, hey, can you review the case to see if we can get bond? And the whole idea here, too, is that these deportation cases have a tendency to take a very long time. There's a massive immigration court backlog. Some people have said there's not enough judges. And so what happens is you have these people that are being detained at length, when in reality, most of the time in our criminal court system here, you can secure bond while you're awaiting trial. As long as you show up at trial, it's not going to be an issue. And in the meantime, maybe they can try to build their legal case. Maybe they can go back to work. These are things that they do have a right to. They have a right to a bond hearing. But because of where they were picked up, this is the key dispute. Because they were picked up in Charlotte and not at the Mexico-Texas border, attorneys say they deserve a bond hearing. Now, if they're picked up right upon entry into this country, that may be a different story. They may get mandatory detention and may quickly get moved out. In these cases, it does not seem like they're going to be deported quickly.
Wow.